Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be filming a sort of come get ready with me. I tried to film this exactly a week ago when it was my 21st birthday, but the microphone was acting up and it kept sort of going in and out and didn't pick up much of the sound, and when I went to edit it, it was really difficult. So I'm filming it again, and today is not my 21st birthday, but exactly a week later it is. I don't know if you've watched my Come Drive With Me Nottingham, but my friend Becca, who was in that, who was the driver, it is her 21st birthday today. We were born exactly a week apart, so today is Friday the 10th of January, so happy birthday Becca. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some tweezers because my eyebrows they really need it. These tweezers I actually got in my January month's glossy box. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly tweeze my eyebrows and I'll be right back. So now that my eyebrows are tweezed, I'm going to go in with my Olay Instant Hydration Day Serum. So I'm just going to rub that on my face. And my hands are clean. I just had a shower, so they are clean. I'm going to go in. Would help if you could speak, Chelsea. Next, I'm going to go with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. And I just use a tiny bit on my face. I mainly use this on my chin and around my nose area where most pores are. The place where I have the most pores. And then I'm just gonna put that on my chin and nose. Next I'm gonna go with my foundation, and I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Lasting Finish in the colour True Ivory. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe Y6 brush and just buff that in. Next I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the colour Light. Wow, I look like a ghost. Is that better? There we go. Does that look better? Or am I too orange? I'm going to take a powder brush and lost it. Next I'm going to take a powder brush and my Laura Mercier powder. I'm actually running out of this, so we're on rations, guys. We're on rations. Now that I've set my face, I'm going to go in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer with a angled brush. Next I'm going to go in with my blush, and I use the Tarte blush in the colour Insightful, and I'm going to go in with the same angled brush I was using for the bronzer. Next I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the Freedom Duo Brow Powder in the colour Dark. I'll go in with the dark colour on the ends of my brow and the lighter colour towards the centre of my face. The next product I'm going to go in with was also in my glossy box, like the tweezers were, and it's the Model Co Clear Brow Gel. Obviously I've never tried this. I only got my glossy box on Wednesday and today's Friday. I've sort of looked at it, but I've obviously not used it. Wow. It's bright pink and the spoolie's quite a big one. I don't know if you guys can see. It is a little bit bright. So I'm just going to use that to set my eyebrow hairs in place. My only problem with clear eyebrow gels is that I feel like they get the eyebrow product on them, so it sort of like alters the colour of the gel that's inside, which I don't mind because obviously my eyebrows are going to stay the same colour, but I don't know. The camera just wobbled. I'm now going to make a start on my eyes, and today I'm going to be using the mini breaker. I bought this when I was in Nottingham. If you haven't seen my come drive to Nottingham with me. I bought this whilst I was in Nottingham because we walked into the Morphe store and a lady came up to me and asked if we were okay, if we needed any help and everything. And she said that this one, and I think it was the normal Jawbreaker palette, but they both had money off, but I didn't have enough for the big Jawbreaker, but this was down to £16. So I was like, I'm just gonna treat myself. We were Christmas shopping for other people, but it was a Christmas present from me to myself. So this is what the palette looks like if you haven't seen it before. So it has some really lovely orangey shades and some really lovely pink shades. I think today I'm gonna go for the pinks. First colour I'm gonna go in with is probably Bubblegum in this bottom corner. And then I'm just going to repeat the same on the other eye. I'm going to add some eyeliner and lashes as well, and then I'll be... I actually don't have any eyeliner or eyelashes with me, so I've just curled my lashes and put on the Collection Volumizing Mascara. And that's the best we're going to have to do. I also popped on some highlight, and I used the colour Sarcophagus from the Jeffree Star 24 Carat Gold palette. I also, for my inner corner highlight, used the colour Legendary because it's a pinky shade and it sort of goes with the eye look. The colour that is on my lips is the colour Sagittarius, also from Jeffree Star. I thought, like, it's a sort of purpley nude, sort of. Is it a nude? It's like a light purple. I thought it went quite nice with the eye look as well because of the purple. So guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. We'll see you guys next Sunday for my next video. Bye guys.